Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the new items from the World of Culture Day. I think that was the update. So you're just going to go here to the right, and I'm like, where? I cannot find new stuff, but you actually have to go further in, and it's actually here. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. There's outfits from Nigeria, Brazil, Spain, Mexico, India, Scotland, Philippines, Thailand, and Japan. And you can even press E to view card to find out, I guess, the history of the outfits, which is so cool. I really appreciate Dress to Impress doing that. So yeah, happy Unity and Diversity Day. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!